Good morning. Thanks for joining today. We are out and about for a morning ruck where we stay conditioned for backpacking, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about getting some new gear and doing an unboxing, which I talked to you about in the Tuesday teaser, the first Tuesday in the month, that I was getting some new gear. I'd actually ordered a couple months ago. The release date was May 31st. And it's just arrived in the mail last night. So this is actually morning, and what I do most mornings to ruck and stay conditioned for backpacking. So this evening we'll finish up the video, do the unboxing, and show you some of the new gear that we're going to put to good use here on the FrostySith channel. Thanks for joining. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Make sure to enable notifications and hit the bell. All right, we've got a new box in the mail. I have a utensil to open it with. I promised you that I was getting new stuff, and I have. I've got a whole other box of accessories over here, but we're not going to dive into those. We're going to focus on the big kahuna, which of course is what I should be in here. So I pre-ordered this before release. It was released on May 31st. I got it actually yesterday. What would that be? The 11th. But just getting around here after work tonight to doing a video on it. So let's cut into it. And dun, 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 dun. So this is the Lumix G95 in the US. In fact, if you look right here, it says DC-G95M, and that's what we got. Sweet. This is certainly an upgrade from my older cameras. Dun, dun, dun. Whoops. So we've got some paperwork. Got an advertisement for optional accessories, some of which we've already purchased, like extra batteries. This is a lens hood. Sweet. This is a 12 by 60 millimeter focal length mirrorless lens for the Lumix. Sweet. Looks like we've got cable, a single battery, AC adapter, and a charger for the battery. We also have a standard strap, it looks like, and I've ordered a different strap that I have in a different box. And here is the big kahuna. Dun, dun. So there it is. The Lumix G95. It's kind of sweet. Nice controls, white balance, ISO. Does have the, not only does the screen pop out, but it reverses. All right, well, we're gonna start putting this to use on the FrostySith channel. I hope you enjoy, and I'll probably follow up with a video after I've used it for a bit and talk a little bit about it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell. See ya.